I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. Is the best suite app to chase, get paid, and reconcile all those payments you will receive from your SuiteBilling generated invoices. Today, I will show you how to create price plans for your subscription plans in NetSuite. So first, we need to go to subscription plans. Here, I will click on View, Price Book subtab. So obviously, if you don't have a price book yet, you will need to create one. I have another video that really focuses on the price book part, but today I want to focus on the pricing plan part. So I will click here on the item on the edit icon, and it opens a new window for the price plan. So here in this window, you can first choose the type between tiered and volume pricing. So let's say that we choose tiered. The tiered is like if you want to charge a specific rate for items within a certain quantity range, while the volume pricing, it applies the same price to all items based on the total quantity sold. Don't forget to set minimum and maximum amounts if needed. Once this is done, you first subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. I would be super grateful, and I will make many more SuiteBilling tutorials. And then you can select the pricing options. So you can choose between rate, which calculates by multiplying quantity by rate, or fixed amount, which is a constant charge regardless of quantity. So you can enter the rate or amount for the pricing tier. For multiple price tiers, you can click to add to create additional pricing levels. Once this is done, you have the option for the charge frequency. So here, let me put 10, okay. So the charge frequency is here back on the price book. You can specify how often to charge for the item, whether weekly, monthly, annually. If it's a recurring item, use the repeat every field to define the recurrence interval. Once this is done, you can just save everything. And remember that all the invoices that will be generated by your price book in your subscription plan, the best way to chase and to get them paid is to look at Kolleno, which can automate in a very human, white-labeled way this painful and time-consuming process. So I'll see you in the next videos. Give it a thumbs up under this video. I will be super grateful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.